Hello, so let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to do one plus sign. As you can see, I already did here. And then I'm going to draw squares like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this block, I'm taking the point over here and one point over here. So I will leave little bit gap here, and from here I will do one arch, and this will go a little bit up. Now from here I will go a little bit out and make it alphabet C or D or whatever curvy line over here, and then I will pull this one down here with the arch. Now this one will go, so I'm making arch over here, so this much gap I left, and I will go exactly on the line over here, and from here I will turn. Now I'm going to draw one curvy line here, and it's going down, and from here this is the line. On the top I'm doing alphabet D, flat one, and I will pull this one all the way down here. This side I will start from here, so you can see I left this much gap, and I'm going to do kind of a little bit big alphabet D. Here I'm going to do 2 dots and one smiley face. This part I'm going to correct a little bit. So I will start a little bit in and then curve it. Same thing over here. I will curve this one also a little bit in from both sides. This one also looks a little bit one-sided. One over here, so one will be there. Now I'm going to draw one circle here, one circle here, one circle here. Now I can draw one triangle here and one skinny triangle here. Now from here I'm going to draw a drop shape. So if I have to go, I can see my drop shape like this over here. Now I will erase this part. Over here I'm going to draw kind of like U1, and then I will give little bit gap here, and the second one, and then third one. This side I will curve it little bit, not pointy. Then I will erase everything from inside. Now between these two, or from here doesn't matter. I will start one line from here and I will go down with the curvy line, and I will take one point here or a little bit here or here, doesn't matter. From here I am going to pull this one, not going down this direction, and then I will curve. Make sure you are drawing light because this is the part we are going to erase later. Now next to this one I will leave little bit gap, and I will draw kind of like alphabet C going this direction, and just slightly down than this one, and I will try to curve this one in. Same thing, I will curve this one in, and from here I will do one curvy line. This one I will start from here, and I will slowly I will connect to this one. Now I will erase everything from inside. Now above this line I will do one smiley face, and I'm thinking this will go here, and then from here I will do curvy line. Now whole thing is kind of like alphabet U, and then I will erase this line from here. Same thing whatever we did here, 3 of them. So one, second one little bit gap, and third one we cannot see. And then let's erase everything from inside. Even this line I'm going to curve little bit, so going smiley and then sad. Over here this one, and from here I will leave little bit gap, and I will pull this line little bit down, and from here same thing we did here, same thing I'm doing this part over here, and then I will turn this one. So this one looks a little bit small, so I will try to match with this one. Now over here I will try to draw a smiley, and then I will try to make this one as a drop shape. I can do second one here and third one here. Under that I'm going to draw a circle or ellipse shape, and I will draw one more line like this. And this line was coming here, I can do another one to create the fold. Over here same thing, but before circle I will try to draw one smiley and drop shape. Try to draw light like I already did drawing over here, so try to draw light. When you are satisfied with your drawing, then do the dark line. So I picked 2 points over here, like a one pencil, maybe spacing one pencil, you can put it here, but this one is getting bigger, so I put one dot here. From here you can do one smiley face, and from here we have to do here, so not very pointy, so I will turn little bit curvy here, and then from here to here curvy line. So this is the another point I have to pull, and it will go exactly this place. Now I will start triangle shape, but not sharp one, so we can show that this one we cannot see. Then we can pick 2 points and we can draw kind of curvy here. So one, second one, and this one is going to be smaller than the first one. Then again and we can draw some lines over here. Let's do the eyebrows. Now this is the guideline next to this one, not exactly but little bit on the left side I picked the point, and 1 point over here. So this one is going this direction, and from here I will curve, and then I will go here. Next to this one I will do overlapping, is small, very small compared to this one. So this line is longer than this one. For lines, I'm turning this one this direction, this side, this will go this direction. Now I'm drawing some circles. So suppose here, so some half ones, some tiny ones, and some of them will be here. So these are small ones. So I'm trying to not create any pattern. This one I will not go all the way here, and these will not go all the way over there.